everybody. This is what you get in Demarest, New Jersey, under $4 million. We are on one of the most coveted streets in Demarest. I'm standing in the kitchen that was renovated just a couple of years ago. Built for entertaining, this house is spectacular. You have a fabulous butler's pantry where you have countertop space, another wine refrigerator, and then you have this very spacious grand dining room. All right, come with me, I'm gonna show you some more stuff in this house. This is a beautiful space. It feels like I've been transported to a European chateau, and it also has just a beautiful, large, wood-burning fireplace. To the primary suite of this gorgeous estate in Demarest, New Jersey. You have a fireplace which is super luxurious and comfy. There are two glass French doors, and when you open that, it leads you onto a very spacious balcony. No luxury house would be complete without a media room, and this is a spectacular room. It's soundproof, it has a 4K projector. This is coming soon. I'm Stacey Esser. See you soon.